tell your enemy and you tell your friend. It's just Ryan out again. Yes, it's just. Lion. Southside. Trinidad.
Fight for yourself, you must fight for yourself. No one is safe here. Caravaggio. Who can you trust? Tell me, who can you trust? Joking on the field. Will you cross over? Will you cross over? Will you cross over to the dark side? Will you cross over? Will you cross over? Will you cross over to the dark side?
Either you love me or you love me not. Me I ride with my team, is all I got. You love me or you love me not. Ride with my team, it's all I got. Yeah, me all I watch your back, you leave my gunless. When you check it out, that is so shameless. Stop, think and check. Real revolutionary youths. Don't watch this flex. This a flex, it's real. This a step. A real Gideon step. No corona belt can stop me, but stop and think and check. If I got to go, we got to go. But as long as we have breath in our way, you know, we have to stay strong and take care of the youths. Cause the youths are the fruit and that are the truth. And
fight for yourself, you must fight for yourself. No one is safe here. Who can you trust? Tell me, who can you trust? Joking on the field. Will you cross over? Will you cross over? Will you cross over to the dark side?
well, me I tell you the truth, so much pain. My father get gunned down from your youth. Me I live with that are the truth. And this a pain not gone away. Every year it feel the same way. So yeah, what I say, same time me come and lose me 2 granddaddy. Few years later then me lose all Judy, my best friend, and my next grandmommy, Matilda, and then my next grandmommy, Miss Berkia. All the people who love me, Dimmers, Sharon you're gone, and Michelle Crew. Jano, Daddy Gun, that's the true. Turbo Belly, yeah, me check for you. And them lick you down too. So, the best people in my life, me lose already. The most love me had around me.
Fight for yourself, you must fight for yourself. No one is safe here. Trust, tell me, who can you trust? Joking on the field. Will you cross over? Will you cross over? Will you cross over to the dark side?
I'm gone and now, Corey gone and I don't really know, all my brethren gone and Vishnash gone and All of my brethren, them gone and yeah, Foxy, him gone and Mother Sivrini, everybody gone and yo, but we still all live on, even though Levi gone.